as part of the improvements that I'm constantly working on this Laverda 500, what I want to do is the pegs, because the clip-on handlebars, as you can see there, are on the high side. So I want to see if I can use this, which is actually off a KTM 390. Can I fit this so that I can have this part going over the foot peg? Because currently, if I try to drop the peg, it hits off the brake, and there's actually, then it would hit off the exhaust, so I can't actually get around this. So I'm going to see if I can turn it and then fit this, which will actually go this way and go over the pedal and hopefully have enough room to work. So we'll see if this is possible. So the first part is I'm going to remove this one here. Now that stops it going that way, so there we go. That first bit. Now I took the exhaust off, so this means I can get the footrest out, because I think I've just made work for myself, but I need to take the, there's a spring that's keeping it, so I'll take this footrest now. Both out of the way, and that will release the spring, which means that I can just take this off very easily. What I need to do is order a new bearing to match this inner and outer size. From Amazon I got some bearings. Yes, they're going to be a tight fit, so we need to tap those in. I'm just going to use this as actually a bearing puller, but I'm going to use it because it's the right size. And I'm going to tap this down. Yep, and then we can drop in. This goes in easy, and then we got the other half. So we just start a little. Which is just about the same size. Now you could use a socket. Right size. Use it without this, but at least it'll build it up for the right size to fit. This ridden one didn't have a bearing. Realistically, it didn't really need a bearing, but it needs to build out because the original one, only had a thing, didn't really, so it's not really. But you can see now with that, I will go on there, and it's missing everything, which is great. Now I'll just put just a washer in there just to help with the spacing. Here's the original spring, so that will go on there, and this was here and on this, so that's pretty good. So we just need to get this gap now right here, and here's the little bracket on the bike. It was a stop, make a stop there. It's hard to get to see it, so it stops the coming up. Next is on with the exhaust. Tighten it up. I've got one of these. Tighten up. And then with a vice grips, we turned it. You're right. It needs to be taken out for final adjustments. Thought this was a bit sloppy, so I'll fix that. So with these bearings with a 12 mil inside and whatever it is on the outside. Bearing and we'll put a penny washer. This is too tight. Put a penny washer on. And now we got a much better, neater brake. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.